Our next guest is in the running for a national competition to be named the greatest baker. I mean, I just feel like we need to award you that title already.
Thank you.
Yes. She is our friend. She's always here on Great Day KC, cookbook author Courtney Hill, and she's here to talk about that and get us ready for the big game this weekend and more. So,
Red Friday.
Yes, that's right.
Chiefs.
Go Chiefs. So let's start with the contest first. Tell us all about it.
Well, it's just something that I saw online, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to try to enter this. And then I became one of the finalists.
Yeah.
So I was really excited, and it has to do with voting. So there's several rounds of voting.
Okay.
So I'll post the link for the voting
So
later.
I think we have it down there.
perfect.
Greatestbaker.com /2023 / Courtney.
Thank you. And you can vote once a day.
That's it?
Yeah.
So do we?
Well, I mean, you can
Get
pay to
different,
vote, but I don't want you to pay to vote.
Okay.
You can have one free vote a day. And
One free vote a
That's all
day.
I expect.
But I am confident that you're going to walk
thank
out
you.
with that win.
The winner gets some money and a feature in this Bake From Scratch magazine, and get to meet the cake boss.
Oh.
So it'll be really fun.
Yeah. So everybody at home, if you're watching, make sure you go to your computer right now. Let's get that the URL back up on the screen. There we go, right there. There it is right there, greatestbaker.com. Have all the information so that we can get Courtney to the final.
Oh, well, thank you.
the
I
winner.
really appreciate that.
Yes, yes. But the other reason why you're here today is National Pie Day and Red Apple Day.
Yes.
So what are you making?
I made another mini pie. I told you earlier, I make a lot of mini pies, but I do love them. They're so fun. So I've taken my apple pie recipe from my cookbook and just made it mini.
Okay.
So I don't know if you want to try this. I cut out one on for the bottom, and then you just want to cut out one from the top.
All
sorry,
right.
just
Oh, okay. So you have to close it.
cut
This way?
one out. And you kind of have to press kind of hard on there.
Okay.
There we go.
Like that.
Perfect. And then now open it up.
Okay. See, this is why she is the expert here. This is why she needs to win, everyone.
Put that in the bottom, and then your lovely apple pie filling. And I've used a tart red apple today.
Okay.
It's called Sweet Tango. It's kind of a newer variety of apple, but it's so good.
Okay.
It's really nice.
All right. And then we put
And
that,
just put that on top.
there, and then.
And I've used these cookie cutters to do a little KC.
How cute! So we put that on top of here,
Yeah.
or
And then you bake it.
Okay.
And then I put a little red food coloring to accent the KC.
okay.
But it's so cute and fun.
All right, let's see if I can do this right. Let's see if I can be added to the greatest baker.
Oh, look, see?
You know, maybe.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I like that. And it smells so good. So not only did you bring in the mini pies, but you also brought in some options for the game. So tell us what you brought in.
I'm calling it my I dip, you dip, we dip.
I like that. When
Game
I
day
dip, you
spread.
dip, we dip. Yes, okay.
So from the cookbook, it's the 6-layer bean dip, and
Okay.
I've turned it into a field here, and I've got, Hy-Vee has these awesome Chiefs chips, so I put those around. And then over here, I don't know if you've ever been to Blue Sushi here in Kansas City.
I have.
They have a mango crab rangoon.
Yes.
And this is kind of a take on that. So it's a crab rangoon dip, and there's mango in there too. And so you use it with the wonton chips.
Okay.
It is so good.
Okay, I have to taste it. All right.
Okay. And then this other one is just a buffalo chicken dip.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's got cream cheese, chicken, my buffalo sauce from the cookbook.
Okay.
And some cheese on top, and then you eat that with crackers.
So are all of these in your cookbook?
The wonton dip is not. That's a new recipe that I came up with not long ago. So.
All right, so maybe we have another book in the work, another cookbook in the work. All right, I like it. I can dig it. Okay, I'm going to dig into this. That's what I'm going to do. Because who doesn't like?
And the sweet chili sauce on top.
Oh, you've done something with this, Courtney. This is delicious. Well, Courtney, thank you so much.
Yes, I'm so glad to be here.
Yeah, always happy to have you here. Again, everybody vote for our friend Courtney online. She's up for the greatest baker presented by Buddy V. How to do so is on your screen.